Welcome back to another video. This is episode, I don't remember, maybe 26, maybe 25, somewhere around there. I'm just rebuilding. I don't even know if it's that high. I have no clue because I don't remember. I haven't posted in like, I don't even know, like a week, something like that. I'm taking a little bit break. I'm in football practice now. And so I've been just trying to dial it down for the game. And shit out or something. So, yeah. And for the next video, I'm gonna have this one first. And then I'm gonna switch They really fucked up making these weapons back then. They're like 600. I felt like that. 300 is crazy. That's a jump. I'm still getting used to it. I mean, obviously, I'm kind of slow. Is that what the term is? I don't know. But, I swear, if I had this shit on my actual camera, it's like, I don't even think I would have purposely being targeted. If after the ability to run in close seconds, I feel like they should make it maybe 16 or 15 because then it would be like almost twice the reload for the weapons. Which makes sense to me, honestly. I feel like that would be balanced. Oh wait, but yeah. And shit, I forgot to do the intro. Hope you guys had a wonderful day. This is what I mean, so that they call it constant shield because of the ground for the rifle. And then I would have a physical for I like that sound effect. That sounds so nice. That shield breaking sound effect. He just added that. And that shit actually sounds so good. I'm not surprised why he'd be kind of sick. It's not like I get sick all the time. No. That's how I feel about pockets everywhere fucking parody much bad day. I mean, I had a rainy day, and I still like it. I know how to do it. It was just
Assist.
I don't really like camping and sniping, so as soon as I get my time, I think it's gay, personally. Anyway, actually a good position. I think I got to do. But I had target this guy. Like, holy shit. Shit, actually. Why are you targeting a guy that's literally out of your damn range? That shit makes no sense. The fuck you gonna do? Shoot him through everything? Infinite range just comes out of nowhere, fucking dumbass. Fuck is he doing? Oh my god, bro actually got me mad. The fact that both sees the mall come in, bro's not even trying to help. I don't even think bro's trying to attempt. Thing. Go ahead. Come out of there. I know you want. I don't think anyone about it. We're not winning this. That's for sure. I at least got somebody with range. I'm gonna have to target this guy. No, quantum radar. You got some armor. I mean, like, what the hell else am I supposed to do? This whole team is over here doing it. Alright. We lost that match. I'm 2-0. I'm 2-0 right now. 2 matches lost. Wait, did I win last match? I don't think I did. Actually, wait, hold on. Let me check. No, I don't remember I did. Because that match was too quick. No, I did. But I don't even fucking remember. I'm gonna recheck the recording, bro. No, I can't do that. I mean, I literally don't have it set up, so I can't do that. It is what it is. But... You know, that build looks crazy, but that build actually might work. I'm really thinking I should go with every time I have to think it. Of course I'm gonna I'm beating him out. I'm gonna target your ass because you wanna come over here and be a fuck, bro. You're gonna shoot me over cover, bro. Oh no, I'm gonna fuck you up. I'm dead, bro. Take that. At least get this guy. Lost all my weapons. This whole time I never had. I'm not sure if you can copy that. So they really got this guy right. Oh, it's just a super running, but it's I'm not sure if it's the area of that, but it's literally just like that. Get out of the beach. Wait. How the fuck? Okay, shoot him. My dog trying to talk. Fucking way! Yo, it's just every time why I can just get that. I don't even care if it's my boys or the group chat calling me, bro. Every time in my fucking recording, bro. Every time, bro. Every time. What is there not in the fucking goddamn time? It's not me getting called from anybody. It's annoying. Get into the next fade. I'm at 14%, so that should be good enough for 2 videos. Next one, I'll probably make it like close to 30, just so that I can demonstrate both of them, because like 2 of these matches fully together would be like almost 15 minutes each. So it's probably gonna be 30. Because I'm gonna demonstrate these two. I haven't even used this one. I have used this one. Okay. I want to use the leech mode. I think only if 2 seconds, like literally 2 seconds less would actually help so much. I don't know why, but it would. Make it at least like 200,000. It already hit the button! How do you want it? No, there's no way that bro's gonna happen. That is my whole HP bar. The teleporting thing is not working. Teleporting back where you're supposed to teleport back. Yeah, it's not. Actually copying every single one. Ain't no fucking way. Like, I can't make this shit up. How do I just, that has just seen through my face. Straight up, literally. Yeah, I go for this side. Yo, I fucked up. Sometimes the shooting is just like absolutely like, it is what it is. This Roblox kind of balanced, but like, in a weird way. I don't know how to play it. No fucking way I'm still alive in this shit. At this point I just feel bad. I'm trying to wait for him to type going on. Like that. It's fucking game. Holy shit, I fucking died. Alright, well that's the end of it. Please like and subscribe. And if you enjoy more content, keep on watching my videos. I say contact. Holy shit, bro. Like, oh, bro. Like, I swear, if English is going to be graded, bro, in an actual grading system, I feel like they should make it so that you can actually properly speak. Because people make mistakes, and honestly, that's alright. But literally make a mistake and saying your words, well, in public is kind of embarrassing. It is. Everybody does it. So I feel like that should be an actual thing that the education should do. I mean, it's only for Spanish and other cultures, and really that's it. But no, that should be an actual thing.